our single phase meat mincer. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 7 1/4 inches, a depth of 15 inches, and a height of 16.5 inches tall with tray. Measurements for the tray itself, we have 9 inches in length, 13.5 inches in depth, by 2 1/4 inches in height. Included will be the push tool for pushing down the minced meats. Included will be the push tool along with the additional blade. Measurements for the blade, we have 2.5 inches in radius. And the radius to insert your meats for mincing, we have 1 3/4 inches in radius. And located on your left will be the power switch. Located on the back will be the ETL certification, along with the 110, 120 voltage plug. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on